Did you know that your daily turmeric habit could be causing serious health issues when combined with certain foods? It's true. While turmeric is praised for its amazing health benefits, pairing it with the wrong ingredients can actually do more harm than good. In this video, we're revealing the 5 surprising foods you should never eat with turmeric. Stick around till the end, because this could change the way you use turmeric forever. And if you want more tips on how to boost your health, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a video on how to stay at your best. Curious to find out what foods to avoid? Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Why turmeric alone isn't enough. Turmeric is more than just a spice, it's a powerhouse of health benefits, thanks to curcumin, its active compound. But did you know that consuming turmeric alone might not be enough to unlock its full potential? Many people take turmeric and expect instant results, but the truth is, its effectiveness largely depends on how it's consumed. The secret? Pairing it with the right ingredients. For example, combining turmeric with black pepper significantly boosts curcumin absorption in the body. Without black pepper, much of the curcumin passes through the digestive system without being absorbed. In this lesson, we'll uncover why turmeric needs a little help to work wonders. Plus, we'll show you how simple tweaks to your daily diet can ensure you're getting the most out of this golden spice. Stick around for more lessons on how to maximize turmeric's power. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you can stay informed and healthy. Lesson 2. The power of black pepper. Did you know that black pepper can make turmeric 2000% more effective? It's not just an ordinary spice. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that enhances the absorption of curcumin in turmeric. Without black pepper, curcumin struggles to reach the bloodstream, which means you won't experience its full benefits. In this lesson, we're diving into the science behind this powerful combination and why it's essential for maximizing turmeric's potential. If you've been taking turmeric without black pepper, you're missing out on its true power. We'll show you how to easily incorporate this duo into your meals for a healthier you. Make sure you're not overlooking this simple yet impactful change. Want more tips? Subscribe now and let's keep improving your wellness journey together. Lesson 3. Avoid dairy. Turmeric is often touted for its anti-inflammatory properties, but did you know that pairing it with dairy might reduce its benefits? While milk, cheese, and yogurt are delicious and nutritious, they can hinder the absorption of curcumin, the key compound in turmeric. This lesson will explain why dairy can interfere with turmeric's effectiveness and how you can still enjoy its health benefits without compromising your diet. We'll also explore alternative ways to consume turmeric, so you don't have to miss out. Curious to find out how to boost absorption? Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips. Lesson 4. Oxalates and turmeric. If you love leafy greens and root vegetables like spinach and sweet potatoes, you might want to rethink pairing them with turmeric. These foods are high in oxalates, which can bind with calcium and lead to kidney stones, especially when combined with turmeric. This lesson will reveal why high-oxalate foods can be risky when consumed alongside turmeric, and how this combination can cause serious health issues over time. But don't worry, we've got tips on how to enjoy these foods safely while still benefiting from turmeric's incredible properties. Stick with us for all the details, and make sure to subscribe for more health insights. Lesson 5. Alcohol and turmeric. Turmeric is known for supporting liver health, but what happens when you mix it with alcohol? While turmeric may help the liver detoxify, alcohol can overwhelm its ability to process the spice efficiently. This lesson will show you why combining alcohol and turmeric is a bad idea for your liver, and how it could reduce the health benefits of both. If you're looking to maximize the detoxifying effects of turmeric, it's important to consume it in the right context. Let's explore the best ways to incorporate turmeric into your routine for optimal liver support. Be sure to subscribe for more wellness advice to keep your body feeling its best. Lesson 6: Caffeine and Turmeric. Caffeine is a stimulant that can help you feel alert, but did you know it can also block the absorption of turmeric's curcumin? In this lesson, we'll explain why caffeine and turmeric don't mix well together, and how it can prevent you from experiencing the full benefits of turmeric. But don't worry! We'll share some creative ways to enjoy both caffeine and turmeric in your day, without compromising their effectiveness. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to balance both ingredients for a more effective and balanced approach to health. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips to boost your wellness. Conclusion: Turmeric is undoubtedly a powerful health booster, but its effectiveness can be compromised when paired with certain foods. By avoiding dairy, high-oxalate foods, alcohol, caffeine, and blood thinners, you can maximize the benefits of turmeric and ensure your body absorbs its full potential. With the right combinations, turmeric can help you live a healthier, more vibrant life. Keep these tips in mind as you continue to incorporate this golden spice into your diet. For more health insights, don't forget to hit subscribe, so you never miss a video that can improve your well-being.